What is fluid balance on hemodialysis? People on dialysis usually pass very little or no urine because their kidneys can no longer produce it. This means that dialysis is required to remove excess salt, minerals, harmful waste products, and fluid from the blood in order to keep you healthy. In people with kidney disease, fluid can build up in the blood vessels. This increases blood pressure and puts the heart under strain. This increases the risk of heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. Fluid can also collect in the feet and legs, causing swelling. Fluid balance means balancing how much fluid comes into the body when you drink and eat against how much fluid comes out of the body through dialysis and the urine. A good fluid balance should keep you well on dialysis. Your kidney doctor will work out your target dry weight when you start dialysis. This is the weight you should be at the end of every dialysis treatment. For example, let's say your target dry weight is 80 kilograms. If you weigh 82 kilograms just before your next dialysis treatment, you have gained 2 kilos since your last dialysis treatment. Most of this extra weight will be due to fluid buildup. 2 kilos is equal to 2 liters of fluid. Dialysis will need to remove 2 liters of fluid from the body to reach your target dry weight. Your target dry weight is based on your blood pressure, type of dialysis you have, whether you pass urine, and your health. Your target dry weight can change depending on these factors. Your doctor will also check if you have any signs or symptoms of fluid buildup. We will ask you to follow a fluid restriction diet to prevent too much fluid building up in the body. We will ask you to drink no more than a recommended amount of fluid in a day. Importantly, the amount will be specific to you, but it is often no more than 1 liter over a 24-hour period. Fluid is in everything you drink, and in some foods, like yogurt, sauces, jelly, and soups. We also ask people with kidney disease to limit salt in the diet. This is especially important for people on dialysis. Salt causes the body to hold onto fluid and makes you thirsty, so you drink more. High levels of salt in the body also increases blood pressure. Limiting salt and fluid in your diet is very important for your health, but can be difficult. Your kidney dietitians can give you tips on how to quench your thirst and limit your fluid and salt intake. For example, sucking ice cubes, drinking from smaller cups, and eating less processed foods, which are often high in salt. People on dialysis often need to take medication to reduce blood pressure. Water tablets or diuretics can also help to lower blood pressure if you can pass urine. How can home hemodialysis help? Longer and more frequent HD at home is better at cleaning the blood and better at removing excess fluid from the blood compared to shorter treatments in the dialysis unit. Removing fluid on dialysis more slowly is better for the heart and blood pressure and is less likely to cause thirst, sickness, cramps, and dizziness. People who have longer and more frequent HD at home usually live longer and healthier lives than people who have dialysis in the unit. Blood pressure is better controlled, so blood pressure medication can often stop when you have hemodialysis at home. If you are having problems with your fluid balance, or if you have any questions about the information in this video, speak to your renal team or visit our website to learn more.